Casino wins 90% at all time. Woodbine Racetrack and Casino Drive Tour. Winner and winners. Woodbine Entertainment. Racetrack and Casino. Adult entertainment only. Warning: gamble within your limits. There are no clocks anywhere inside or outside the entertainment facilities to remind patrons of the time. The current Woodbine Racetrack carries the name originally used by a racetrack, which operated in southeast Toronto at Queen Street East and King Road from 1874 until 1993. The current Woodbine Racetrack is located in Etobicoke, Toronto area. The Great Canadian Casino and Resort, combined with Woodbine Racetrack, are located in the Entertainment District 555, Rexdale Boulevard, Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Woodbine Racetrack and Casino Drive Tour. Brief history. Woodbine Racetrack is a racetrack for thoroughbred horse racing in the Etobicoke area of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It was established in 1956 as the permanent home of the Ontario Jockey Club. The track was constructed on 780 acres in the township of Etobicoke and first opened with a 1-mile dirt track and a 7/8 of a mile turf course in 1994. Woodbine became the first North American track to hold thoroughbred racing in the day and standardbred at night. Woodbine and Casino Drive Tour. Winner and winners adult entertainment. Woodbine Racetrack has been the stage for several historic moments and recorded breaking performances. The racetrack also witnessed thrilling victories by renowned horses, such as Secretariat, Cigar, and Northern Dancer, leaving a lasting imprint on the sport. The introduction of gambling at Woodbine transformed it into a multidimensional entertainment destination. With the addition of a casino, visitors can now enjoy the excitement of live horse racing alongside a variety of gaming options. The integrating of gambling has not only enhanced the entertainment experience, but also provided additional revenue to support the racing industry, create jobs, and stimulate the local economy. Woodbine Racetrack and Casino Drive Tour. Winner and winners adult entertainment excitement. Whether or not it be a date night or a weekend getaway, game time excitement, win or lose balls of fun for adults. Casino open daily for 24 hours. Woodbine Racetrack stands as an iconic landmark in the Canadian racing landscape. With its rich history, memorable races, and allure of thoroughbred racing, it continues to captivate fans, inspire future generations of racing enthusiasts. Whether it's the thrill of the King's Plate, one time formerly named or known as Queen's Plate, the excitement of record-breaking performances, or the legacy of legendary horses, Woodbine Racetrack remains a cherished institution in the world of horse racing. With the implementation of gambling legislation, it has also become an integral part of Ontario's entertainment scene. Gamble within your limits. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe. Woodbine and Casino Drive Tour. Winner and winners at Great Canadian Casino and Woodbine Racetrack enjoy the largest number of gaming options in Canada. The hotel boasts 400 rooms, with racetrack views and a variety of dining options at Woodbine Casino Resort. The Great Canadian Casino and Resort. The recent new beautiful mosaic constructed building is jointed to the Woodbine Old Racetrack building. The new Casino Resort building promotes racetrack views directly from the rooms. Winners, please subscribe. Good luck!